Hello guys, so welcome back to Cosmos Airdrop. So today I'll be talking about Catly, and I just withdrew $C from this site a couple of days ago, and I'm going to show you how you can withdraw, including how you can make money in this site. So first of all you need to do is to register in this site using your email and the password, which should be completed. Then verify your Binance. You're going to use your Binance ID and your 20 BEP verification code. So let's go. So all you need to do to make money into this site is first of all claim the 500 that they're going to give to you. They're going to give you 500 Catly, which you're going to claim first. It is going to appear in your balance here. So what you're going to do with that 500 balance that they're going to give to you is to play a game with it. As you can see, I've played a lot of game. I've lost a lot of game here, and I've made a lot of money here also. So what you need to know is that there is no money that you need to invest in this site. I've not put a single token in this site. All you need to do is just to use your 500 to make more money, then withdraw. So they have the procedures that you are going to take for you to earn or play this game. So this is how it works. They generate a wallet address and give you the latter half of the key. Then during the draw, they will disclose half of the first key, then combine the two halves to form a complete key. Now use the complete code to verify the address and claim your reward if you guess it right. All you need to do is to guess the right number. If you're able to guess the right number, then you're going to win. So look at this. So we have O to 0 to F alphabets here, and you are expected to choose up to 12 numbers if you want to, but the more you choose more numbers, the more your odds decreases, and the more your odds decreases, the more the value or your earning decreases. So this is what I'm saying. So for example, I'm saying that the answer is 0 and the missing address is 0. As you can see, my win using 50 Catly coin is 725 Catly. Do you understand what I'm saying? So if I'm saying that my answer is 5, as you can see, the odds are reducing. My win is now 360. If I'm saying that my answer is A, my odds are reducing. Now my win is 240. If I say my answer is F, so my odds are still reducing and my win is 180. So this is how it goes. As you can see, I don't have enough balance because I've played a lot of game. As you can see, I played this one this morning and I actually lost due to greed. Anyway, so let's go. So I'm going to show you other ways that you can make money through this site. So the second way that you can make money through this site is through referral. So all you need is to refer 2 or more persons to get more money in this site. The more you refer, the more commissions they increase, the more you're earning are increasing. So as you can see, I have low balance in this my Catly coin, and I've placed a withdrawal that I'm going to earn about extra 500 Catly coin in my stock. As you can see, my stock reward are increasing and I'm going to earn it. So these are the details of this site, and these are the Catly that I withdrew from this site about 5 days ago, and it's quite interesting anyway. So this is how you can buy more Catly. Like I said, you shouldn't buy, but if you want to buy, you can buy from your balance. So my initial balance is 48.819. You can just place buy if you want. So let's just say 48. So the stock here, I can stock here. So the total reward if I place this 48 is 21. As you can see, it's 21. So if I increase my stock into something like 4, so my wealth will be increasing here. So my Catly coin, if I have up to 48,000 Catly coin, I'm going to be claiming something like 89.400. That's a huge amount of money anyway. So if I have up to something like 48,000 Catly coin, I'm going to be earning up to $864. So if I have something like more than that, I'm going to be claiming up to $80,000. So look at this, I don't have enough, so I'm going to just place 48. So I've placed the stock 48. As you can see, the minimum Catly coin that you can withdraw here is 100. So but if you are giving that 500 Catly coin at the beginning, make sure that you place this first, because I'm earning a lot through these ones. As you can see, I have a hope of earning more because I have already placed a trade before. So all you need to do if you want to refer a friend is simply to just press copy and refer. So the next one is to engage in these Catly NFTs that are going on here. As you can see, all of them are still upcoming. So you can participate in any of these Catly NFTs and you can earn more with it. So guys, during my previous video I told you guys that I'm going to give you a withdrawal proof of a site that I was able to make $200 from. But before I will start with this, make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on that you get alerted whenever I post a new video. All you need to do is to click subscribe and all so that you get alerted when I post a new video. Don't forget that. So let's go. So this is the site that I was able to make $200 from, and I posted this site in my early videos, and I told you that I'm going to make my withdrawal today, and I met some of the referrals. I referred some of the persons, and that is why my money increases. I told you that the certain ways that you can make money through this site is through watching videos, and as you can see I've watched a lot of videos here and I was able to withdraw. So this is my cash out, and I kind of completed the rules here. As you can see, my current balance is $267 and my referral commission is $156, which means that I've referred a lot of persons but not that much. So that is it. So I'm going to withdraw here. So if you were interested in playing game, I can say I told you that you can also earn in playing game. So I just played up to 2 games and I was able to earn $40 from it. So let's do our cash out. As you can see, through going out through this cash out of a stuff, I noticed that you're going to refer an extra 30 persons in it. And once you refer up to 30 persons in it, they will remove the limits and you can be able to withdraw as much as you want. All you need to do is just to place your withdrawal, press cash out. So and now, so let me just go through the cash out list and show you what you do if you want to withdraw. So what I have here is 26.7, and they say if I get up to these 30 friends, I'm going to do so. I'm not going to stretch myself getting up to these 30 friends, but if you are still interested in earning, you should continue with this. So all I need to do, since I have up to 267, which is even above the limit of withdrawal, I am going to place my trade as bitcoins because I love using bitcoins to withdraw. If you want to change your password, you can do it here, and these are my emails and everything. So as I told you that you can use different medium to withdraw. You can use your OPay, your Visa, your PalmPay, and I said I'm going to use Bitcoin. I've put and inputted my Bitcoin address. So whenever I'm ready to withdraw, I'm going to withdraw. But for now, I have to complete what they said here about earning about getting up to 30%, getting up to 7%. We are still looking up to completing it. So apart from that, I'm going to also show you this and how to take your readings from this. So this is my stock reward. How do you take your daily reward and how do you take your daily earning? So look at this. So I told you that I made up to $6 previously from it, and this is my withdrawal proof that I was able to earn this $6 from this. So look at this. So on the 7th, 19th, by so time, I withdrew this amount. As you can see, this is my withdrawal in Binance, and this corresponds to the same time and the same date. So let's go. So this is the earning that I took about 2 days ago, and the more I put in my commissions, the more they gave me more rewards here, and these are the reward I sold out anyway. So guys, if you are also interested in getting more sites like this, and if you are interested in making more money, and if you are interested in waiting for me to withdraw the next cash out that I'm going to withdraw from this Catly line, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel like I said. So make sure you click that notification bell because you might not see this channel again, and stay tuned. And if you want to join us on our Telegram group, it will be waiting down in your description. Simply click and you will join us in our Telegram group. So see you guys someday, and make sure you subscribe.